Good morning, everyone. Welcome today in the additional of the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, October the 28th, 2023. It's actually today, Sunday. And in today's newspaper, in the additional, we have 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, jigsaw Sudokus. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. And half of them I will solve, 4 of them. And 4 of them. Why? Not all? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, this one will be number, I believe, 7352. 7352. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 30 printed digits. What a shame, publisher. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 35 digits more. Should be a 0 star puzzle, a 0 stars puzzle. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. We'll see. But it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Is this really a 3 stars? Then I need 20 to 30 minutes. Is this a 0 stars? Need to be faster than 14 and 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so the first column. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Alright, and now the 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there, 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so the last row, only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. Alright. Need a 9 here. Yeah. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 in these 3 boxes here. 9 in this row. No 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in this column. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the first column, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. Here 9 in the third row. No 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here, 1 in the last row, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Shoot me there. Then 2, 2. 1, 1. We have a pair. The 1 and the 2 in the last row. The 1 and the 2 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Then How about, come on, come on, come on. Need a 2 here, need a 2 there. 7, 4, 2, need a 5 here also. 2, 5. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. One, one, one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in the first row, so no 2 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be in the 6 goes there. Need a 6 here. 1 and a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then need a 2 here. 4 and a 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Let me think. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Yes. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Here also, 4 and a 5 in the last row. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 in the column next, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1, 1, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. The 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, Only 3 place level 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in third column, no one there. Here 1 in first column, no one there. Only place level 1 should be there. 1 box left in this first column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Need a 6 here. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 and 9. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be in. 9 goes there. 8, 8. Need a 9. 9 in this row. 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row. Only place left for the 9. Should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so row above, the only 2 place left for the 3 should be here or there. See here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, and 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Cannot believe this. Told you, with 30 printed digits cannot be a 3 stars. Not a 2 stars, not a 1 star. Definitely a 0 stars. But we saw it again, and I like this one. Yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.